Welcome back to Bobos Fishing Adventures. Out here on Pathfinder doing some walleye fishing. Stay tuned.
Oh, what is that? Oh, that's a nice walleye. Fuck yeah! Dude, the size of them today are nice. Yeah. Pink jig head and a worm on dead rod. Good walleye there, probably about 16 to 17 inches. Go ahead and put you back. There, bud. Nice walleye. Oh, that was cool. Getting them on plastics. Heck yeah. There, bud. Dude, this is fun. That felt like a good walleye too. Oh yeah. That was cool. Hammer them on plastics out here. They're aggressive. Yay. Later, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. That's a nice walleye. Hit the plastic. Woohoo. Oh, it's kind of annoying. There you go. Come on, I pour out the pink jig head and a fluke. Not bad walleye to start the day. Okay. Not bad. He's all mad. Heck yeah. Walleyes. Oh, that sounds good. What do I got? Nice walleye. Yeah! Holy crap! That's a nice walleye. Whoa! Heck yeah! Man, can you get a picture of me with this? Is he going back? Yeah. Here. Here, get a picture of it, then I get back. I'm recording. We can get this girl back. There you go.
Welcome back to Bobos Fishing Adventures. Hope you guys had fun today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Never know where we're going next. Stay hooked.